Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix vertical white lines on Samsung Galaxy A71. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're dealing with vertical white lines here on your Samsung Galaxy A71, there are going to be a few things that you could try here. So first things first, or the first thing that you may want to try here is you may want to try using safe mode. Now, how do you exactly use this one? So this actually helps to check if third-party apps is causing this problem. So what you need to do is you want to press and hold the power and volume down button until you see the power off menu. Now tap and hold the power off until you see safe mode here, and then tap it. Now your phone will restart and you'll see safe mode at the bottom of the screen. Now if the white lines disappear in safe mode, then it's likely caused by an app installed. So just restart your phone normally and then install any recently downloaded apps one by one until the issue is gone. Next is you may want to clear the cache partition. Now, sometimes corrupt system files can cause display glitches, so clearing the cache might actually help. So in this case, you want to turn off your phone, press and hold the volume up and power until you see the Android recovery screen. Now use the volume down button to highlight wipe cache partition, then press power to select it. Now once done, just restart your phone. Next is you may want to check for software updates. Now Samsung releases updates that can fix display issues, so in this case it's worth checking. Now what you need to do is you want to go to your settings and you want to go to software update, and then in this case just tap download and install. Now if there's an update available, install it and restart your phone. And finally, if nothing actually works here, use, or in this case, factory reset your phone. Now this should be the last resort since it erases everything, but it can solve deep system glitches here. So what you need to do is you want to go to your settings, then general management, then just choose reset. Tap factory data reset, choose reset, then delete all. Just make sure to back up your important data before doing this. So in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.